Hello everyone, my name is Shivoha and I am in UKG. Today I wanted to share a small but very important message. We all are special. We can do great things when we try. Our school helps us learn new things that makes us confident and happy. It is important to listen to and follow our parents, teachers and grandparents because they guide us with love. Studying every day helps our dream come bigger and brighter. If we make mistakes, it's okay. We can learn and try again. Love, kindness and good habits make our school and home a joyful place. So let us believe in ourselves, respect our elders and enjoy our studies. Thank you for listening.